Well, many of you will be sleeping when some of that severe weather begins to roll in from the west, so make sure you have more than one way to get your warning. It's always good to have that battery backup weather radio. You can download our free Skywatch weather app. We'll be on air, online, and just be aware things are going to be changing up rapidly overnight. Right now, I am tracking a few showers moving through the foothills. This is just rain right now. We do see a few stronger storms now over the I-77 corridor. Nothing severe, but something I am going to continue to watch, with the atmosphere being quite unstable ahead of our next weather maker. And we see this powerful cold front and that wide tornado watch out ahead of it. Quite a few tornado warnings now all the way from Illinois back down into Arkansas over this afternoon and this evening. So it is coming our way, and all types of severe weather are possible for us early Monday morning. That tornado risk is low, about a 2% risk in the green area. The black hatch marks indicate these tornadoes could be more intense. EF2s not out of the question, so even though it's a small risk, it is definitely there, and you're going to want to be able to have a safe place you can get to quickly if a warning's issued. An elevated damaging wind risk in yellow, that does include Asheville and Hendersonville. That is a major threat from these storms. And as far as the hail risk, it looks like that is pretty low right now. We can't completely rule that out though. So here is the timing of this. Some showers and possibly a few thunderstorms develop around 2 a.m. out ahead of the main event. And then we see the main event 4 a.m. beginning to move into our far western mountain counties. There could be some thunderstorms out ahead of it by 6 a.m. This is when it is most likely to be at the worst over Asheville, Waynesville, Clemson. Then we see how this shifts off to the east. Marion, Spartanburg, down near Lawrence by 8 in the morning, and then moves on out of the area. But with the cold air moving in, that rain changes over to snow. Many locations are above freezing when that snow begins, so a lot of it melting right away. But then with that cold air continuing, we go down below freezing. Most of those snow showers by tomorrow evening confined to those highest elevations, and that is where they're expected to continue. So some of the highest ridge tops could see a few inches. We're talking Beech Mountain could see several inches, Cataloochee. Most of us, though, we will be lucky to get a dusting. We have a wind advisory that kicks in late on Monday until Tuesday at 5 in the morning, and that is going to add to the wind chills tomorrow evening, feeling like 9 by Tuesday morning. Tuesday, St. Patrick's Day, will just be an incredibly cold day with our temperatures dropping behind that severe weather. Very, very chilly and a cold start on your Wednesday, but we are bouncing back later in the week, and Friday is a spring equinox, a vernal equinox, and by then we are feeling nice and warm again. But several dicey days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, all weather worn days, both in the mountains and in the upstate. So definitely stay safe and get to your safe place if you need to.